Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do GK questions. This is for class 6 and 7th class students. So, these are general knowledge questions. So, let's begin. First question is saying who was the first man to space? Yeah, if I am not going to tell the answers before telling about all the answers and questions. I will tell you the answers at the end. So take your rough note and note all the answers which you think that first answer is C or first answer is B, first answer is A, or whichever option you think so that is. So you want to write. I have told you earlier also. So let's start. Who was the first man to go in space? So first man who go in space was Yuri Gagarin, Rakesh Sharma, Neil Armstrong, or none of them. So this is the man who go in the space first. Next question is saying who was the first man from India to go in space? Yuri Gagarin, Neil Armstrong, Rakesh Sharma, or none of them. Who go in space from India? Not asking from the world, it's asking from the India. Yuri Gagarin go from India, Neil Armstrong or Rakesh Sharma from India. So this is the man who go from India to space, and none of them is answers. If I give you a hint, so a man is showing, so you can think what is his name, and there is any option. If there is no option you think so, then you can take the option. Third question. Observe the man shown in the picture. He is Jawaharlal Nehru, he is APJ Abdul Kalam, he is Narendra Modi, or he is Bhagat Singh. Fourth question. Who was the first woman president of India? Indira Gandhi was the first woman president of India, Mother Teresa, Pratibha Patil, or none of them. She is the first woman president of India. Woman prime minister of India was Pratibha Patil, Indira Gandhi, Mother Teresa, or none of them. So this is the woman who was the first woman prime minister of India. Sixth question. Dash is the longest continent. So it's talking about the continent. If you haven't learned, so first learn that. I have made already that video. Link is below in the description. Watch it. So Australia is the longest continent, Asia is the longest continent, Antarctica is the longest continent, or North America. So here you can see this is the green which is mentioned, green whole, that is the continent, longest continent. So here this is India, this is Pakistan, this is Afghanistan, this is Myanmar, and this is Sri Lanka. Here Lakshadweep is. Here you can see Lakshadweep is here, and these all are neighboring countries of India. China is this. So, seventh question. Who is the author of book Unity in Diversity? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the author of Unity in Diversity. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is, or Shri Narendra Modi is, या फिर none of them. So, this is the man who wrote the Unity in Diversity book. Who said that when your signature converts into an autograph, it means that you have succeeded? These lines were said about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, APJ Abdul Kalam, Narendra Modi, or none of them. So this man said these all lines that when your signature converts into autograph, that it means that you have succeeded. And this man was the president before Pratibha Patil. Ninth question. Dash gas comes through our mouth in winter season. That is nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. So as you can see, when she is blowing, when this girl is blowing the air from her mouth, this gas is coming, or you can say this air is coming. So this gas which comes from our mouth is nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen or carbon dioxide. So 10th question, observe the man shown in the picture. You want to observe this man. So he is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he is Jawaharlal Nehru, he is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and he is Sri Ramnath Kovind. So if I give you a hint of this man, the Statue of Unity is made. So you have get an idea. Open your book wherever you have written all the answers. These are all the answers. First answer is A, second answer is C, third answer is D, fourth answer is C, fifth answer is B, sixth answer is B, seventh answer is B and eighth answer is also B. Ninth answer is D, 10th answer is C. So if you like this video, hit a like button, make sure to subscribe and press bell icon and share to your friends as well. Thank you so much.